Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe and please click like and the notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to do another unboxing. So the unboxing today is this. This is a huge box. So let's open it. What is this? Hello baby. How are you? How are you, sweetheart? How are you this morning? Okay. Oh, so this is two items. Let me see. Oh, we need to cut more. Okay, so this, let's take out one. Okay, so oopsie, it's upside down. Oh dear. So this is halogen heater. So this is a heater. This is an electric heater, guys. And this, oopsie daisy, hello. Oh, your tail. Hello. Hello, baby. Oh, yeah. Ay.
Yes.
Okay, baby. Here. Come on. Come here. Okay, so this is a halogen heater. So
You can,
open it.
if you want to. You need scissors to cut.
Scissors. Okay. Excuse me. Give me this. Okay. So let me do it like this. So we can take it out. Are you helping Mama, sweetie?
Yes.
You're helping Mama? Mama. Let's take it.
We'll be putting it back in again, so
Yeah.
remember how it was there.
Okay.
Don't assemble it yet, because it won't fit in the box otherwise.
Oh dear. So what's in there? There's something in there. It's like a syringe.
It's the screw to put the bottom plate on.
Oh, okay. So this is not a very big one, guys. It's just a small one. And so it looks like that. So this is the
Bottom plate.
bottom plate.
Yeah, don't assemble it.
Yeah, I just wanted to stand it up.
It won't.
So it will be.
Don't let it go. It won't stand up until you assemble it. So
Oh, okay. So
you have to put it back because they're just spares.
yeah, so it's just like this. Yeah, so just like that. So we're not going to assemble it yet.
They are spares because the halogen heating elements don't last very long. So we just bought the spares just
So you
while they are available.
a spare. So
it's
this
two.
is, so it's the same thing. So
Yeah,
it's two.
exactly the same, so you don't need to open that.
So
Put it
it's
back.
two, like that. There. Two heater, two halogen heater. Is it halogen?
Yeah, 3 bars each,
3 bars.
400 watts each bar, so 1200 watts per heater.
Oh, and it says wide angle.
They got
3 heat
oscillation mode
settings.
as well, so it turns
Oh, so that's the thing, wide
from
angle.
side to side if you want it to turn.
So it
And 3 heat
it
settings.
it turns more. Is it wider? Okay. So that's it. So we have 2 heater, guys. So when one break down, there's one straight away waiting.
Well, it's 45 pounds for the two, so 22.50 each from
Is it
Amazon.
there's a discount if you buy 2?
Yeah, slightly.
Okay, so that is that thing there. Okay, guys, so there's another more to unbox. This another big box. So let's cut it, open it. So this is from Amazon Prime
As well. As well
as well. Yeah,
as the heaters.
Amazon Prime as well. Okay. Oopsie. Okay, so this. Let me see. Oh my gosh, this is a big box. But the inside is just this. Look, only this. And this alone. Yeah, and those are papers. So that is the one in there. So that is the, what do you call this? Extension.
Yeah,
This is the extension.
plug
lead.
adapter with 2-meter extension lead, so you can plug 6 items, 6
Yeah.
electrical items in there.
Okay, no. Okay, so this one is with
Individually switched,
individually switched. So 1, 2, 3,
so you don't
4,
need to
5,
keep
6.
plugging and unplugging every time you want to
You
switch
have to
something
plug
off.
something, yeah. So it's
You
just
just plug
use
it and
one.
leave it there and switch it off from the switch.
From the, there's an individual switch of this. So this is very good. I like this one. Oh, what's wrong with my thing?
You got your finger?
Yeah, how come?
Yeah, probably with the when you're trying to open the box.
Oh, okay, it's fine.
You want tissue?
Huh?
You want tissue?
No, it's fine. It's just underneath my nail. When I saw it's bleeding. I don't know why. Maybe when I pull that thing, the box, it's a bit sharp. So we have to be careful, guys, opening box because the box a bit sharp.
Yeah, paper cuts.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. So I don't need to open this because guys, as you can see it.
Yes.
So okay,
6
guys.
sockets for the UK.
Yeah. So this is
And
UK.
2-meter lead.
Yeah, and this is the 3-pin. In UK, we use this 3-pin. Yeah, like that. Yes. And this is 6 individual thing. So
Individually switched.
individual switch. Yeah, okay guys, so this is the unboxing for today. These 2 halogen heaters and this, what's this?
Socket adapter.
This socket adapter. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Ta-da!
Love, love, love.